Do you feel stuck in a cycle of negative thinking and unhelpful behaviors? Do you feel like this cycle just goes around and around and you really feel terrible? Maybe you have anxiety or stress or depression. Maybe it's affecting your relationships. Overall, would you like to discover a new way of being that will help you to feel better? Who wouldn't? I'm Kelly Dennis. I'm a psychotherapist, and I have been helping people for over 18 years learn how to manage their stress and anxiety, to feel less depressed, and to have more satisfying relationships. For videos that will help you to stress less and live more, and to discover that new way of being that will help you to feel better, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots of tips, tools, and techniques here that will help you to feel better. I also am a teacher on the Insight Timer app. So I have audios and I do live events on the Insight Timer app. So check me out there too for my profile. Whether you're working with a therapist or you're just looking for some self-help to help you feel better, this video series is for you. It's explaining and demonstrating cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT as we like to call it. So what is CBT? Cognitive part of CBT refers to what and how we think. It emphasizes understanding the thoughts, beliefs, assumptions, and behaviors that are connected to our moods, our physical experience, and the events in our lives. Our thoughts and the way that we relate to them about an experience in our life powerfully affects our emotional, behavioral, and our physical responses to it. Also, our behaviors can affect our moods, which then can affect our thoughts. Think about, not wanting to get out of bed in the morning, right? So that's a behavior. And then as you lay there more, you probably get engaged with some, not great thinking, which then can tank your mood. So our behaviors can affect that too. Our moods can also affect our thoughts, which affect our behaviors. So they're all interconnected. CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, can help you learn to think and relate to yourself in a different way that really can help you get unstuck from distressing thoughts, from distressing moods, and from unhelpful behaviors. CBT isn't a quick fix like any other skill. It takes practice, practice, practice. So not only do you have to just watch this video series, but you'll have to do some of the things that I suggest and walk you through in this video series to see changes and to be able to make changes that will help you to lead a better life. In this series, we'll talk about errors in thinking. We'll talk about the CBT cycle. We'll talk about specifically the thoughts and the behaviors and the moods related to anxiety and depression and stress and how to change and unpack those. And then we'll also talk about how to motivate yourself to engage in behaviors that will help you to feel better. So I hope you'll join me on this journey, and I really look forward to sharing some CBT skills with you. So thank you for listening and watching. Be well and have a wonderful day.